your boy Dre. We're gonna check out xikers Breathe official MV. Just came out literally right now. We're live on Twitch at the moment. xikers, also KQ Entertainment, also the same company that ATs are in under. The xikers, they're doing their thing. They're trying to find their sound. I think they did find their sound, but they're, you know, I feel like as a K-pop group or artist, you gotta try different things. And I'm not sure. I didn't check out any of the teasers. I was able to interview them on Ultimate Bias K-Pop Cast. You'll see that coming up sometime, hopefully in the next month. That was a fun time. They were such good kids. I love Hunter. Hunter is so funny. But without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Be sure to follow Patreon, by the way. Got some dope shit coming up. KQ Entertainment. Oh, damn, them eyebrows. Them eyebrows look cooked, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. What the hell? Not the laugh as well. Oh. Wait. Hey, yo. Oh, wait. Hold up. Breathe. This is a crime scene. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Yo, the production in the music is kind of crazy already. That's the type of like in your face. Oh, what is that? Are they giant? Wait. Who did that too? No, wait. The whole little finger. Didn't somebody else do that? I forgot who. Like the whole little. Wait, how do you do that? Like this? Like. That's such an interesting kind of thing. Our goblins are glowing as well. You already Woo Young, right? Yes, Woo Young did it, right? It's not just him. Is there other people that did that as well? Wait, can I do it again? Wait, how do you do this? So it's like that, and like that, right? Yeah, I think I did it. Yeah, kind of, not really. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Breathe. Breathe. Ooh. Oh, I love his hair. Very in your face type of vibe. Very KQ Entertainment feel too. What the hell? Wait. What the hell did you just say? We don't need breathe elephant's feet. We don't need breathe elephant feet. 24-hour energy, clean keep super cocky. 땅에 물들여서 내 pill. 일본에서 회복한 trauma. Keep smashing and getting 흔들리잖아 every day. We always rocky. Oxygen level, oh no. Your texture like me jerky. Yeah. Get your shit. Kind of reminds me of Fiend, right? When they say breathe. Breathe. I love that. Breathe. Yeah, we going hard. Overheat. Breathe. What? Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Wait a second. Was that an egg? Over easy egg? Over easy? How you like your eggs? Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, ice cream. Ah, interesting. Ooh. Breathe, breathe, breathe. It's like an 8-bit fire. Interesting choice. Xikers. To me, I feel like Xikers is still the beginning for them. Really, like I just want to see like the next thing. Is their album out? Is there a mini album, or is this just more of a? Oh, it does say it says House of Tricky Spur releases literally today, which is, well, it's the 4th over there, right? If I'm not mistaken. Huh. All right. Shout out to Xikers. Keep on doing you. Oh my God. Music running for on a treadmill. Yes, it does sound like exercise music, which I need to get back in the gym, y'all. I'm probably going to add this to the playlist. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And breathe like I just did. My God. All right, y'all. Till next, everybody. Their raps just keep on getting better and better. It's impressive. The little laugh did remind me of Hong Jung in the beginning too, but you know, let's go KQ. All right. Till next, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.